Hello and welcome to Programming with Umar. Throughout this series, we will guide you through React Native, starting from the basics and progressing to the expert level. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to create real-world applications by using the latest technologies and best practices. Gain the skills to create mobile applications featuring high-end security, optimization, engaging animations, notification, and so much more. This course series is suitable for anyone who has some basics of knowledge of JavaScript and React. So let's get started. React Native is connected to React. With React and React Native, you can create native mobile applications for both iOS and Android. Those apps are real and can be put on Play Store and App Store for everyone to use. Note: React.js is a separate library from React Native. React is a library for building user interfaces for the web. It uses React DOM to work on the web. However, instead of using React DOM to render web elements, React Native uses a set of special React components that are transformed into native UI elements for iOS and Android. React Native handles this transformation process for you, so you can write your code once and run it on multiple platforms. Throughout this course, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of various aspects of React Native. First, you will learn how to set up different React Native workflows environments. Then, you will grasp fundamentals of React Native, including creating and using custom components, styling your apps, and making your apps adapt to various screen sizes and orientations. The course will also cover managing both local and global state, storing different types of data on the user's device, and interacting with external APIs to send and receive data. Additionally, you will learn how to implement navigation in your app, incorporate animation and transitions, handle gestures in React Native, and even how to send and receive notifications. You will also get access to the source code and resources of each video of this course series. You can find the links to GitHub repositories in the description of each video. So, in order not to miss any video, make sure to subscribe now and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way, you will be the first to access those informative videos.